good?
Decked out for war. Have a look at the gear on it.
You good, mate?
Are you good?
Yeah. Very good.
What's your name, officer?
Senior Constable Burton, mate.
And yours, dog unit?
What's your name?
None of your business. That's fitting. Pats on the back. Dog unit. Does it look like I need help? You fuck off. Get back into your dog box. Go on. Go on, get back into your dog box. Well, why swear at me then? Mutt. Speak like a mutt too. Look at them all. Run back inside. Get back to work.